Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can request additional taxes in Europa Universalis 5. So what you'll need to do is basically go to the top right corner and click on government, and after that here you'll be able to see estates and parliament. Click on the parliament, and right here you'll see request additional taxes, and then if you click on that one, you will be able to request additional taxes. But before we do that, we need to have conditions. So we have parliament in session. We do not have parliament approved taxes, and we have greater 50% support in parliament. So as you can see, for now, requirements not met. You'll need to do those. And that's pretty much it, guys. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and as you can see right here, you can call a parliament. See you in the next one.